Welcome back to Kanawa. We're Kathy and Scott, and if this is your first time here, we're glad you found us. Today, we're taking a tour of Old Town Campeche, Mexico. But first, we'll give you a quick tour of our casa. Then we'll take a stroll along the Malecon.
Welcome to our abode in Campeche. It's named Trilliza, which means triplets. And that's because there are 3 units that are exactly the same. Well, I think exactly the same. They look like it on the outside, just different color. We got Amarillo. I happen to match. Didn't mean to. Anyway, you walk in off the street and you enter the kitchen area, which is open also to the living room area.
In the sun, it's already begun.
Gorgeous. Like, it's just, I love the tile. It's decorated really nicely and it feels so welcoming. Something I always check out. It's a comfy couch. I could sit here for a long time, I think. Yeah, it's really warm and welcoming in here. All the touches, I love it. The decor, the pillows, the comfy, the colors, the paint color, I have to love. There are also hammock hooks everywhere, and a hammock that maybe Scott's gonna sleep in. I don't know. I had to close the doors to get the full effect. But I absolutely love the doors here. I get weird side eye and people laughing at me when I'm all oohing and awing about the doors. But they're beautiful. Tall handles right, here. But anyway, into the bedroom. Again, the tile on the floor is beautiful. I absolutely love tiles here. Gorgeous decoration. It's very simple but very warm. Nice king-size bed. It's very comfortable. More hammock hooks, place to hang your clothes. This is kind of cool. Like fresh air for, I have to close that for bugs, I don't know. But I love it. And the bathroom. Check this out. Okay, I love the high ceilings. Even in a small space, it feels really, really spacious. Nice sink area. The shower. But it's stuff like this that I'm absolutely in love with. Like, I love that raw finish. I'm such a nerd. Okay. Over here. Now, the toilet. Plus also, we can go outside from here. This is a really sweet spot. It leads back into the main living area, but there's a private patio here. Morning coffee, perhaps.
We should find some more time. We don't need to worry at all.
That'll be nice after a day walking around in the heat.
We just dance, find romance, a second chance. We don't need to worry at all.
I really recommend staying in an Airbnb in the old city. It's quite an intimate experience. The houses the streets are narrow. The houses are basically, stacked one right after the other. And people live here, and it gives you an idea of what it's like to live here. But when you stay in an Airbnb, you can almost imagine what it would have been like a few hundred years ago. There were obviously no engines then. You couldn't hear cars driving by, but you could hear horses, and hearing music and Spanish, people singing. It's a really cool experience. Really recommend Campeche.
We don't need to worry at all.
Diving in, I saw some splash, and I thought, oh, maybe it's a whale or something, but it's birds. We're just taking a walk on the Malecon in Campeche. It's a very pretty view out into the, I guess, the Gulf, right?
Gulf of Mexico, yeah.
So we'll take you along.
And right now you can smell the fresh sea breeze blowing in off the ocean, and we're right beside a whole bunch of fishing boats that are all lined up. Looks like the day's fishing's done. Yeah, it's a nice walk.
Looks like this might be a space where they maybe sell fish.
Yeah, market.
Fish.
Looks like it.
There's a bit of sewer smell.
That fresh sea breeze has turned into sewer smell.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, this is really unfortunate. Okay. Oh no.
My eyes are watering.
No, I can't breathe. Okay.
I think it's gone.
It's the salty water.
Yeah.
Air.
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay.
Okay. Not good.
That little. I think we walked past a sewer outlet.
There's yeah, there's a definite dirty baby diaper smell, or maybe
even worse.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh no, that was.
Oh, see, now it's okay.
Can you go pick up the car? I'll wait here for you.
Nice.
I don't want to walk through it again.
All right, I'll go pick up the car. Wish me luck.
A little more than a few minutes later.
Yay! The Malecon has redeemed itself. It is beautiful here.
Yeah.
Just a bit south from where we were, where there is a beautiful park. Lots of play places for kids, and
It looks like maybe a water park too.
Yeah.
And nice, fresh sea breeze that's really fresh and sea-like. It's really fresh.
It's very pretty. I suggest coming down to this part of the Malecon.
Yeah.
For a beautiful walk.
I'm all excited because it's a pirate ship. We found a pirate ship. There's a pirate ship here that sunk, and it's really awesome. I think it's a pirate ship. Is it a pirate ship?
The history of the port of Campeche is intimately linked to navigation.
Like pirate ship navigation?
Yes, brigatines and brigates.
And pirate ships.
According to the historian Juan de Dios Perez Gálvez in his book,
Juan de Gálvez.
the steamboat was known locally as Lola, a French merchant ship
Oh.
that came from the port of Frontera, Tabasco, towards San Francisco de Campeche. It was abandoned by its crew and left in the same place where it is nowadays.
I bet there was pirates.
1864. It was abandoned.
Wow. I still think it's a pirate ship. Oh, come on. I want to go on a spinny thing.
It's not working.
Yeah.
It's not the same as when we were kids, eh?
Yeah, this is a really nice little Malecon seawall area. There's bike paths, a jogging path, a sidewalk. There's the water park. That it does look like there's an entrance fee for the water park, but it looks like it's kind of fun. There's also exercise equipment sort of scattered along the path, and a kids park area that looks really fun too, and pirate ships.
There's also a really nice breeze, so I don't know if that's all day long, every day, but it's really cooling right now, which is very nice.
Yeah. And it looks like it's going to be a fantastic sunset. The sun sets to the west. Yeah.
Sunsets that way.
Which is right. We're facing the sunset right now. Yeah, worth taking a stroll along the Malecon in Campeche.
At the south end.
At the south end, yeah. I think one of my favorite parts of Campeche is the walled city. This is the gate that faces the ocean, and it was reconstructed in 1955. It's not the original gate, but the original wall actually went all the way down to the ocean and protected the city from raiding pirates from the sea. But even though it was constructed in 1955, this gate it still retains its the feel, and it replicates what the gate would have looked like before it was demolished in the 1800s.
So in Centro Historico in Campeche, it is a walled part of the old part of Campeche, of the city, and it is a beautiful grid of cobblestone streets, very narrow streets that are all one way, so you can easily find your way around, but one direction of traffic. Also very narrow sidewalks, clean, tidy streets, but there's also some really cute areas, like this, for example, near our Airbnb. There is a part of the wall that encloses a bit of a garden behind some of the buildings. So I'll take you for a walk through here.
I think part of the charm and the character of the walled city, the old city of Campeche, is the colorful buildings. Basically every color of the rainbow here, and some of the paint jobs have seen better days, but they still retain that vibrancy, and it really adds character to the city. It's really kind of fun to walk around and just take in the sights. And there's something I want to mention is this is not a tourist area. This is an actual part of the city. People live here. There are shops here, doctors' offices, as well as tourist shops and restaurants. But it really is a functioning part of Campeche.
A lot of the buildings here have been restored, and there's a nice mix of residential and commercial. Some are boutique hotels, some are restaurants, some are stores, and a lot of residences.
The street runs right down to the entrance to the ocean harbor there, and it's kind of fun to hang out here in the evening. You can hear the flags fluttering in the breeze. These are lit up at night, and you can enjoy a nice beverage, an appetizer, or a whole meal at any one of these fine restaurants, and they are really good. Just like you'll find in virtually every Mexican city and town and village, there's a central square in Campeche in the walled city. This one has, looks like a structure similar to a gazebo in the center. I thought it was a merry-go-round. That would make an awesome merry-go-round carousel. And often you'll see a church in the central square, just off the central square. And there are a few churches here in the Campeche Old Town. And you'll also find pretty majestic older buildings. This could have been, I'm not sure, but this could have been the city hall, the office of the municipality. And my guess is the one way back here, way back there, was probably a hotel at some point. Very beautiful, very colorful city. Now I'm at the entrance to the rest of the city in Campeche. So this is at the I think it's the east side of the walled city, and the east side of the Avenue 59, where all the restaurants are. So you can go basically from outside the wall, from one end, walk all the way down Avenue 59 to the ocean, and go through the other wall. Lots of cannons. I think maybe there was pirates here. I don't know.
So while there is lots to see and do here in Campeche, I am still very grateful that we got to wander around and enjoy Centro Historico. I highly recommend it. We're just taking a walk on... I'm going to do that again because your arm in front of my face.
That's right. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to see another of our adventures, watch this video. And if you'd like to watch even more, here's a whole playlist.